Hey everyone, today let's see what are fractions. We have heard of the words fractions a lot of times, but let's see what it is. Let's just take an example. Let's say this is a pizza. It is pizza. If I eat a whole pizza, it means I ate one whole. It is called whole. What if I take a pizza, I cut it into two parts, equal parts, and I eat this one whole piece, one slice of this. So I ate one slice. Out of how many whole was there? There were two. In the whole pizza, there were two parts. I ate one out of it. In the third one, I take a pizza, make three parts in that. And I eat one. So I eat one slice out of three parts. There were three parts and I eat one. In this one, 1 over 3 is called 1/3. Let's see 1/4 of it. I take a pizza, make 4 equal parts. I eat one slice out of 4. So 1/4. It is also called 1/4. In this one, I took a pizza, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. In this, I eat one slice out of 6. So generally, fraction is written like how many parts out of whole. The whole shape has how many parts and how many parts shaded or eaten, like that. So there are parts of a fraction. The first one is the top one, whatever you write on the top is called numerator. Bottom is called denominator. So if my fraction is 3/4, 3/4, this is my numerator and this is my denominator. Sorry. Let's see. I want you all to try shade the fractions accordingly. So these are my fractions. The fraction I have to shade is 1/2. So there are two parts. I need to shade one out of it. In this one, 2/3 of it. So there are three parts. Look at the 3. I need to shade two parts out of this. It can be any shape. 3/4. There are 4 parts. This is whole. There are 4 parts. 3 out of 4. So 1, 2, 3. I want you all to try this. 1/4 or 1/4. 1 out of 4. 2/4 is 2 parts out of 4. 1/3 is 1 part out of 3 parts. Let's see. Write the fractions shaded. So here there is one shaded part. So it is 1 out of. So it is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is shaded. One part is shaded out of 4. This is quarter. This here it is 1 shaded out of 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 shaded out of 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want you all to try this as a homework. 1/4, 2/4 and 1/3. And comment down the answers below. Or send me the picture to my email ID. Thank you. Bye-bye.